How to fix Spotify error on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications. Then here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So now you will search just for Spotify. When you found it, just open it like this and now go to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK and go back. And click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is go into Play Store and update your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.